located at the base of Qingcheng Mountain, between the wild geese and the water. On this fertile soil for educating people, private education in New China has emerged.
Guangya School.
The school purchased 138 acres of land. More than 81% of the area is covered by greenery, and the houses are located in red, white, and blue. Nestled in greenery. Small bridges, flowing water, trees, and animals. This is a garden paradise for children to learn. There are chasing teenagers on the original grass football field in the school park. There are children's poems and distant places, as well as children's thousands of rivers and mountains. Guangya School is a full K-15 school. Kindergartens, primary schools, and secondary schools follow the principle of modernizing education. Facing the world and facing the future, it cultivates students' honesty and fraternity. Qualities such as hard work and courage in teaching philosophy. Support curriculum diversification and student internationalization. It has been committed to creating the school's own characteristics, focusing on quality education such as sports, arts, and science. Insist on one physical education class a day. Fencing, judo, tennis, roller skating, and other sports have become students' favorite sports. Sports are a key feature of Guangya, alongside a strong emphasis on cultural education. Energetically promote the goal of holistic student development through virtue, wisdom, physical fitness, and innovative practices. Regarding teaching mode, it is approved for AP courses in the US, a Cambridge A-level test center in the UK, and an IBO International Baccalaureate Organization Alliance School. Guangya uses a dual-line teaching model, both domestically and internationally. The middle school includes general and international junior high and high schools to meet the 9-year compulsory course standard, offering a full range of courses.
The Special International Curriculum implements 4 standards. International TIACHAS, International Textbooks, International Curriculum, International Examinations, and unique KSL activities to cultivate students' motor skills, innovation ability, and community service awareness.
Guangya School blends the original ecology and high-tech just right, and the Western-style architectural elements are contrasted with the Chinese pavilions. The national curriculum aligns with the global community, creating a harmonious campus. It has witnessed the development of private education from scratch to prosperity. 30 years of history, wind and rain, forge ahead, 30 years of accumulation.
Archivement. Ran Puhua chapter.
Based on the first to try, be a good reform sample, no regrets, and always move forward. Standing at the forefront of the new era, Dujianjian Guangya School does not forget its original mission.
That's a legend.